Hi, it's a really quick tutorial. Hi, I'm Sue from Create with Sue. So I've got some sticker designs in here and I want to save them to the machine or to a USB or to Canvas Workspace. So what we can do is once you finish your design, I'm just going to save the circle placement for this particular pattern of stickers that I've got so I can use it again and don't have to reset it up each time. So it's a little bit like a template. So think template. And all we do is go save, and it gives us three options. We can either save it to our USB, save it to the machine, or save it to Canvas Workspace. And I am just going to save it to the machine because I don't have that much in this machine. So I'm going to save it to the machine, and it's going to give it a number. It's going to give it a number of 5, which, so you can tell I don't save too much to this machine. I mostly send it back to Canvas Workspace, but we'll pop it in the machine for this one and just go OK. So you do have the other options. You could still save it to Canvas Workspace, just the same, and it will send it over. Then you can bring it into Canvas Workspace when you get a chance. It takes a little bit longer because it's over the Wi-Fi, and if I had a USB handy, we could easily save it to USB if that's your preference. So it gives you the three options. Join me next time for our next video, and I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip. There we go. Save successful. See you next time. Bye.